today. I think where I need to go now, I've kind of got the tutorial up to the point. I've kind of got the tutorial up to the point where you get to the work art. It tells you how to access that, but I think next I need to walk through this screen. I also need to add a level, my level and experience, to the basic stats block, because as you can see, it's not there, which is okay, but I want to make sure I convey during this playtest that you will get experience and leveling. So with that, let's go ahead and get started here. All right. So first I'm going to just kind of walk through where we're at with the tutorial. It's coming along pretty good, I think. It's not too bad. We've got it where it's really easy to make tutorial objects here. Good. So this is kind of the intro. We'll be entering kind of a dream sequence here. Just had to look around. Go ahead and move. I may end up speeding this up a little bit. Don't think it's too bad if I did. And I need to make sure that I have a flag where, if this isn't your first time playing, this is kind of skipped. I can probably put zoom in, zoom out in the same. There we go. Interact with workout part. It got overwritten by the zoom out, which actually, yeah, never mind, they're right. So but then I need it when I open this up. It needs to kind of walk through what each button does here. Press LB to jump. I got confused because it was in the menu. It's alright. Alright, cool. So, with that, then I'll need to do the tutorial for the battle here. Alright. So tell you how to move, tell you how to attack, all of that. Ooh. Tell you what that box means. Need to make tutorials for all of that. So that's what we're going to be working on today. I got a dagger. Very good. Okay. So, let's get started here. All right. The first thing is when we get to the war. First of all, I guess I'm gonna speed this up. I think I want. Right now they're spaced out every 10 seconds. I think I want to move them to every 5. We'll see how that feels. Actually, you know what? I think I can just double the speed of this animation. Can I do that? I can do that. Then it speeds up everything, which might be okay. Let's try. Let's see how that feels. See if it's faster. I gotta decide how I want to code up that tutorial for the work art. There's a lot of buttons. I don't know if I need to go through every button. I think some of them are obvious, but I do need to go through stats, at least partially, I think. Maybe, I don't know. Maybe I don't even need maybe the work art is kind of self-explanatory. There are a couple things. I do want to explain the magic, the default magic you pick from the work art. a couple things here. I need to update in my tutorial script. Let me make a timeout. Tutorial length. We'll make it float. I'm going to replace everywhere I call out an explicit length to tutorial length. I think I have to do 5.0 right now. Let's check. Cool. And then I can define it here. So we'll start with 3.0. We'll see how it feels. Let's see if this feels quicker, snappier. I did read the wrong button. It's because I didn't. It's just because I didn't have the mouse or the screen in focus. But I do need to figure out. I have to clear. I have to make sure I need to put those closer together. But I have to clear the, yeah, that does feel a lot better. I need to make sure that I clear the button every time. I wonder if I should have default buttons. Okay, that all felt pretty good, except I need to make sure that I'm clearing the button. Basically on clear tutorial, I should do this and I should say this. And that should clear it every time. That'll be a lot better, and then I don't have to worry too much about making sure if someone like unplugs their controller or something. Actually, oh man. It should probably read it constantly. If you unplug your controller mid... Interesting. If you unplug your controller mid tutorial, it should technically change. That's like 3 seconds. I think it's fine. Let me think about that. Let me add a thing. So basically what would end up happening is I would replace this button texture definition here. Should this be processed every frame? I don't know the answer to that. Maybe it should. I'm also going to make this just a little bit longer. I'm not really sure. Alright, let's see what this looks like. Oh yeah, there was one that was like a lot longer for some reason. So 0, 10, 20. Okay, I'm missing 30, so this should be 30. This should be 40. Maybe I've deleted one, I'm not sure. Alright, let's see what that looks like. Hmm. What is happening here? I see what's happening. The last second it's getting cleared back. So I think what I should do I kind of do want to put it in the process. It would be nice if as soon as you unplug the controller it pulled down. So what I would do then is I would say should I display? Huh. I like this structure a lot. The question is if I just essentially have global variables that I load in. And this just needs to wait. For 1 second. And that fixes that. But I wouldn't even have to do that. I could get rid of that entirely if I replaced a lot of this with global variables. So what I would do is I would say current input var current action var current action text, right? And I would take I basically have 2 of these. So I would say if action is global.digital actions. So it is digital action. Digital actions. Oh, if current action. Then I would display digital tutorial current input, current action text. Elif current action is global dot. I don't think this works. Maybe in actually. Analog actions. Display analog tutorial. Okay. Now I need a function to set. Function set tutorial parameters. And it's going to take these exact same inputs, except the second one I'm not going to type. Okay. And basically all I need to do is say current input equals input, current action equals action, current action text equals action text. I think that's all I have to do. And then what I'll do essentially from there is I can replace everywhere I call out this to say set tutorial parameters. The rest here stays the same. I think I can add an else here. Maybe I should actually say else if button node dot texture. Button node? No, button node. If not, no. So if there's nothing in the button node dot texture. Oh, no. If there is something, I'll just make this null. I think that'll work better. Let's see what happens there. I'm actually going to keep this. I'll just put it as a comment here. Because I may end up using that. I'm not really sure. Guess I could do is just an elif here. Okay. Let's see if that works. I do have to set all of these functions to here. Well, let's see. Those are all accurate. Okay. All right, those are all accurate. Okay, I think I'm good. Let's test it out. Okay, let's see. Ooh, that was green for a second. Oh, my person turned. Why did they turn? That's weird. Yeah, it's fine. Oh, input to action. Okay, that did not work. Why didn't that work? It's modulating. If current action in globe, maybe it is. Here's the problem, I think. I don't think it actually knows. I think it's just an integer because it's an enumeration. But I think it's just an integer. So I don't know if that actually knows. Congrats on the first, Indy. Hope things are going well. All right, let's check this out. A to look around. Y to move. What in the world? Okay, RB to zoom in. So I got one of them right. Okay, so what happened is it used... Okay, it ended up using the digital button instead of the analog button. Okay. Okay, it's because it's an integer. It doesn't really know if it's... Alright. So I have to have a better way of knowing whether it's analog. So what I can do is I can have current input type. If current input type equals input type dot digital, and what we'll do is we'll have an enum up here. Enum input type digital analog. So if it's digital, if it's analog, do that. And then what I need to do is on each of these, actually, you know what? I can say here, current input type equals I guess we'll have a new one here that's input type. Input type. Input type. Cool. So basically in these tutorials then I need to put what they are. So this would be input type dot analog input type dot analog digital 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 digital. Okay, let's try that now. I'm tired tonight, man. All right. Didn't register my... There we go. Okay, let's see what happens. Okay, that looks good. That was weird. I guess my tutorial length was a little bit long. It didn't have a chance. I do need to make them 3, or I make this like 1.5. So if I have a 10-second long tutorial and I make it 1.5 times speed, maybe 7.5, which should leave plenty of room for my 5-second, technically 6-second animation frame. I'm not sure why your redeem didn't pop up. Might just not be able to hear it. I don't actually have headphones in. Okay. Why did that second one go back to look around? Move. Timing looked okay. I wonder why this did not register correctly. It should have set parameters for move here. Might need to print out some of these fields. I'm tired, honestly. Maybe I should call it. Ugh. Let's see. So let's see what happens. Okay. Okay, it didn't load the glyph for some reason. Okay, those all look good. And then the question is, why does move keep messing up? Okay, it's all here. So it's triggering the move tutorial. Current action equals action. So I'm guessing it runs at every frame. There's no waits. You know what? I don't need these actually anymore. I guess I do. I wonder if clear tutorial just fades it out. It doesn't actually change. Do I still have somewhere where I am? Oh, here. Oh, okay, I see. Current input type. Okay, I got it. I got it. I might need to go get some caffeine. Oh, man. It's been a long week. Let's see. Yep, that looks pretty good. Yes. All right, I think that fixes it. Very good. So then when I open this up, I think I want like an overlay that pops up. I don't know if I just want one overlay that just shows what everything is, or where you step through it with A. I gotta think about that. I think probably want to step through it with A. That'd be my guess here. The reason being is that like most of these are gonna be pretty quick. I basically will pop up the whole thing and say, hey, this is where you set your equipment, and then I'll say choose weapon, click a weapon. I'll choose magic at the start of the battle that is activated on your equipped weapon at the start of the battle. Choose that, and then choose armor and accessories, and then go through basic stats. I think I will cover this in just a few areas, but I do think things like move, jump, speed, attack number, power is a little self-explanatory. I think they could be good, and all the affinities. Okay. Yeah, I think I will at least chunk it up where you kind of click through them. I think that makes sense. Turn down the sensitivity there. Why is my option like 0 or 275? What? Look at that, that's much better. Cool. Did it work? Oh, battle controls as well, okay. Cool. If you want to invert this Y stick, you can. I do not, though. Cool. All right. So then it needs to walk through and tell you how to move. Holy smokes, I'm getting destroyed here. All right. Go behind there. Ooh, nice. Because of haste. And I can run off. Ooh, I should run one more. Nice. That's pretty good. Shoot. I think she ends up killing me. I don't think I end up winning. Let's see. So I'm at 3,300 health. What's she at? 3667. Maybe. Let me see what other spells I have. Let me try this explosion mark here. I don't know if this ends up working well. We'll see how much damage it does. Oh, I don't even know if this code still works. It's been a while since I've looked at it. Maybe it does. Alright, should... Yeah, okay, good. It dealt 600? Holy smokes. Yeah, it's not bad. Okay. Let's do that again. It will get weaker over time, but... Explosion mark. Alright, I'm winning now. So that's pretty good. Oh, shoot. Well, that wasn't good. I was distracted. I'm probably pretty low on mana. I don't know how much mana I have. Oh, I have plenty of mana. Alright, let's do this. Shoot. Nice. I might try the Swift Strike. I think this pretty much just pushes her back. But maybe I can push her back far. Well, I might glitch her off the edge here. We'll see. Nice. Oh, okay. I do need to wait. That's a glitch. I essentially need to make her wait her turn. Because basically what happened is... Shit, she started going before her turn. That's alright, though. Ah, shoot. Yeah, I gotta wait for magic to finish up before I go here. Alright. Ooh, it's getting close. I've got 1,300 health. What does she have? She has 500? Okay, I gotta get one good explosion mark, and I think she's dead. Let's see here. Yeah, explosion mark's a little bit broken, I think. Let's see here. Yeah. Ooh, interesting. The camera stayed locked on her, and she's finishing her turn? That's interesting. What? And I'm casting explosion mark? That makes no sense. What is happening? Okay, okay. That's very broken. That's alright. So, All right, a couple things. I'm gonna take a quick break, and I'll be right back. I'm gonna grab a drink. Let me throw something on here. All right. It's interesting. A little bit of a glitch here with the camera, and it happens every once in a while, and I'm not sure why. The camera's up like a little bit from where it needs to be. Let's see if I can get it to reset. No. All right, let me try resetting the game. All right, I've got a bunch of little bugs I need to work through, but I'll be right back. I'm gonna start this. I'll start a dance or something, and I'll be right back. Cool. I think I was kind of thinking about it. And I kind of want to clear tutorials. Move the next one when I finish a tutorial. Or when I click a button, I guess. If it says use this to look around, show it. Once I do it, go away. I like that better. So I guess I could leave the first one. Then I'll kind of put them in a chain. All right. So basically, I'll start with... I might start with... Yeah, I guess I'll start with camera. Don't do a timeout. Actually, I could say while global.get digital input. For global dot analog actions dot camera. While that just pass, or while not that. Space while that's coming back false. Not pass the value of type that. Oh shoot, yeah. No, this should for sure be analog. Thanks typing, you saved me. Alright. And then I'll go to move tutorial. Okay. Input stun seed backward. No. How's it going, Kamikaze? I don't know if it works over text because I can kind of see what's happening. You know what I'm saying? You know what I mean? How is your weekend going? Okay. Zoom out tutorial and then jump. Got him. You tried for sure. All right. Just working some tutorial stuff here. We're making good progress. I'm gonna test this before I get too far along. It should at least get me through. Oh, let's interact. For sure. Yeah, 100%. 100%. Man, at this rate, I might as well just get it all done. Because it's so close. There's only a few left. And at that point, just it should be digital. Yeah, I'm just going to do it. And then I will... hopefully it works. We'll see. Hopefully it works. If not, I'll have to fix it in multiple places. So that wasn't too efficient, but hey, I feel pretty good about it. I think it'll work. Okay, so here's why it won't work. It won't work because basically I just need a wait. Because I need a wait until this fades out after I clear. But that's still pretty easy. Let me just grab one real quick. Man, it's so sloppy. This isn't my code. This is Terrain 3D's code, and they use this wait for 0.01 timers. I hate it. It's a hack. Basically, this should wait for 1 second every time. Just before it starts a new one. Okay. That should work. I think that's good. Let's find out. All right, here we go. Trying it out. Let's see. So the look around should pop up first. Oh, it broke. It did not work. Let's see what our error is. Ooh. It is not like this one. I didn't even get anything in the output. Oh, it's stuck in a while loop. Okay. So here's what's happening. I was worried that might happen. I might need a... Ah, shoot. I know what I gotta do. I got this. Okay, we can fix it. We can fix it live while it's still going. I need a process frame. I should make that some kind of global function. That'd make that a lot easier. Okay, so basically in all of these while loops, instead of pass, I should be waiting a frame. Because when it's passing like that, it's just running a lot, like super fast, right? And then so I'm never finishing frames, so my frame rate's 0. Because it's never finishing the process. But if I wait till the next frame, it'll finish the process. All right. This might be busted though. Yeah. I'll have to restart it because it's already too many processes deep. I got a buffer warning on YouTube. I wonder what's going on. My, with poor stream status? Twitch is good. My vertical stream is good. I wonder why that second YouTube one's bad. Weird. Okay, so now it's going to show, use that to look around until I look around. Now I look around, and it goes away. Yes! That looks good. Okay. Gonna show that to move until I start moving. And then it goes away. Great, great. That to zoom. Yep. That to zoom out. Can I not do both at the same time? I can. That was weird. All right, and then Y to jump. Oh, did that one not register? I might not have finished the Y to jump one. It'll go away here in a second, though. It'll get overwritten right now. A to interact with work cart. And it should stay there until I hit A. And A. Oh man, I'm dropping a bunch of frames. I can fix that. 1 second.